Akromfo akokro no bo eduru anajo wo Dodowa-Somanya kwan no so ahyan be se dudie won mu wiewie kra jeje won mu ne manom ne ade efri won sam ensem we Adom TV Kasee de akire eto so
ahyan be ye edu a womo enam Dodowa kwan so Somanya a womanfo atimu no sa ahyan dodo yi enam kwan so a womudu agomeda empatam bi wo ho no na akromfo wemfo bi de niema egu akwam anadwumu ho ana womo ewi a womanfo a na womo etete ahyan mu womo niema ene oni akoti hyan mu a womo boruma na no de womo abo search ahwe niema ekitawo no maji e de fiunsem enipa bi ma na omo wo hyan mu ebi ne Adom News nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no sei na omo kire wo nsem mu.
I was coming from Osuwin, so we passed through Loom, and between Dodowa and Somanya, Agomeda and Somanya road, there is a junction there, Loom Junction. So we branched towards Agomeda. So upon reaching, there is a sharp curve there. Upon reaching the curve, we realized that 3 vehicles were parked in front of us. Then before we say Jack, we saw a guy in a max. Then he pointed a gun at us and fired one. So my motor rider quickly drove onto him and then he ran into the bush. So we decided to quickly turn ourselves and then escape. Unfortunately, one of our guys fell off the motorbike. That is we were using a motor king. So one of our guys fell off the motorbike. So the two of us have to escape. So we managed to escape. Unfortunately, when we escaped, there were 2 other vehicles, and one saloon car and then 1 passenger car. We tried to stop the 2 vehicles, they didn't stop. And then they also drove in and then they stopped them. But for the commercial vehicle, that is the Sprinter, they shot into they gave a warning shot. The driver had to park, and then most of the passengers had to run into the bush. A few of them were got hold of, and then I think they took most of their belongings.
Adriver for no mutwi ahyan bi enso ensem a womode to Adom News nsentwofo enim no ebi ni.
Yes, we have Somanya na yeba ye drew yenim kakari ye say akasa paki and eja Mr. Tiko reverse. The Mr. Tiko reverse na mbo to people into hono and me consult steer control and eja me see na me the middle bush. Timi bush na me say baku di mechi me buru bush no timi no fight e bush no gidi nti adi no kita no the bomb sre. To hono me the me lose control. And baku me nim boys say omuni baba ko bata omu fi say obi na en so change me to on na so tu era bush na so e de adwane na aka me so